Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cavapoos love people, and they particularly love their family members and want to be with them as much as possible. When they're left alone, they tend to have separation anxiety and often bark excessively.
Take our lead.
As long as you pick them up properly, the Cavapoo absolutely loves to be picked up for a cuddle. Be sure to pick your Cavapoo up by gripping them under their chest and supporting their hindquarters, to avoid injury. Never pull their forelegs.
Take our lead.
A crate will be a good idea to keep the puppy in as it keeps them safe. You can put items in there to chew like toys, stuffed Kongs full of food, etc. If they're trained right from the start, dogs can be left alone and will get used to it. 11 July 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Cavapoo is recognized as high maintenance when grooming. Their coats need more than a regular weekly brushing to keep them at their best. They have a low odor, so if yours is smelling, it may be that the hair is too long and may have dirt caught in it. Regular bathing and trimming can overcome this. 25 October 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cavapoos like to be heard, and they rely on their bark to get the attention in which they are keen to seek. Cavapoos suffer greatly from separation anxiety, so if they are left on their own for too long, you can expect a lot of barking. This will be particularly true in the beginning when they are a young puppy. 15 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Cavapoo is a cross between a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel and a poodle. Potty training a Cavapoo can be very time-consuming and extremely frustrating. The puppy apartment is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom home that teaches and trains your Cavapoo to always go potty in their own indoor doggy bathroom.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.